Might actually do it. I don't have a Milwaukee one to show you on, unfortunately, at the moment. But I'll do what I can here. We'll see. Right, here we are. This is not a Milwaukee. Right. I'm sure you didn't need me to tell you that. But they all have a little ring here. There's a little retaining ring here. And all you have to do is get that little retaining ring popped off. Now, it can be tricky, but you can do it. Get that retaining ring off. Get that wee ring off there. Let's see, you get a wee pick here to see. I want you to be able to see it. You see that ring there? Try and get under it here. These Dewalt ones are not easy, but they're Milwaukee are not any easier. I mean, what's the same? You get under that and get that. I wonder if this one I did the water challenge is sort of seized. Anyway, there it is there now. That wee retaining ring, you get that off. And be careful, there's a spring there, and this is spring loaded. You see that? There's this retaining ring. This is much the same for the most of them. This little circlip thing. There's a split in that, you see. And then you have a washer. And then you have a spring. And this will be the same in your Milwaukee, you know. And when you lift this off, be careful. Depending what model of Milwaukee is, you have either one or two little balls, and you don't want to lose them. That is the one I did in the water challenge. See the rust in that? There's a little ball held on by a spring. It might be a slightly different retainer spring than that. So if you take off that spring and that ball, the butt should come out then. Unless it's really badly stuck. But it'll give you a better opportunity getting it out. So that's how you get the butt out of one of them if it's stuck. See how rusty that is. I did the water challenge with that. That's the one I did the water challenge with. That's why it's so rusty. I wonder if it's still going. The motor could be stuck in that now. Don't know if I've used it since I tried to drown it. Now, see when you're putting these back together, it can take you 2 minutes or 2 hours, depending how it goes. That's it on there now. But anyway, let me see how it's going. It's still going. Anyway, that